What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you remember, You see, anytime when I click on the channel, you remember for just like the video. For wanting to like, that's all it takes. Just press the like button and share it if you don't want. Remember, we also have super chat and you can become a member of the channel and you get whole heap of awesome perks. So just check out the description below. Yeah, and let's check out the video.
Wickedness different. The whole of them wicked and them own wicked that we move and leave out my husband and go. I not give up with them. Still, man take on a passport to the money and a property and a house and do no much in things. Move on a now my husband. Yeah, but you know much. I pray for him this morning, wake up this morning and them ugly up. I just say do it come, make me pray. I may appear on half an hour. I'm on my thumb on the veranda and I'm a prayer. I say, God, cover me and my husband that him can so clear in darkness and in ignorance. To feel like the people and can put trust in a people. Yeah, but and them turn against him, Yeah. To point him out to be the worst. It's not the worst marriage, no, and it's not the worst man. The tough man out here abuse man, lock them in house, this, that, and keep. Yeah, I will pray for him. I the worst marriage, man, for true. Do Father say it, and I tell her that lodging, I mean, say, Queenie, let her tell you something. You and the way you don't have the worst marriage. You have a beautiful marriage. I love to see you. You just need to condole on yourself, and it's truth. It's like the two we are challenge each other, who face the and who can be more defensive or who can be more affordable. There's beauty within our marriage. And so when you sit down about the just the same minute. It's life. Some chat, some do action. Leave me and my husband. When you sit down and I wish bad and this element of fourth, university warfare, internet warfare. So I wish my bad. I want to sit down and predict words. But you see me with my strong terrible self, cut and clear and send it back to the pit of hell. Do we know the words? But you do see much our act plus we are shot. So we highlighted. But really, after fact, when I really look into it, do we have this nice soul? That's why I fall in love with this husband. I said, do we? Even this why when I pray, I said, God, bring back that soul when my husband look for me and say, well, you pretty smile, give me a pretty smile. And then kiss me for me and him ram. There's beauty within life. Yeah? I'm fool myself for what I believe in. Not for what I want to believe in. Because when you lead me to phone away, morning, I said, how are you, Ramadan? If I say I'm hardcover book, oh, she's there. Hello, pretty girl. Oh, me, make a commitment in a God's eyes. A man, witness me. You got right married. Piece of leaf. For better, for worse. In sickness and health, in good or bad, rich or poor, until death do us part. No, my husband bring the worst to the worst, on top of worst, on top of worst. But with all fairness, no matter how the worst, it may have to remember my signature. Region Sinister is this calling. And no, but I never borrow nobody's finger. I never borrow no finger, And my own finger with my energy, Father God give me for sign for that commitment. For better, for worse. It's because I'm loyal. I'm a believe in a loyalty. I stand by my husband. All I'm going to take me for a roll over. I just roll. And say, come we go down Manuel Road. Girl and boy, figure Crackstone. I've got patience and I've got time. Brought them one by one, kiss the teeth. Girl and boy brought them because me not call him dog and drunk. I'm not class him today so you can kiss the teeth. Because you're the ugly side of me. Like positivity, so you can kiss the teeth. But with all due fairness, I mean, do it walk, go up a ministry of justice. Go get your paper for sign for married. I will go through the process and it's happened. So me, I have to cherish that. I have to cherish my husband. And when him the fuck I know I fuck him, me not go even up with him and do about the same proof to you. You get the logic of a strong black queen. I gotta teach him. I make him understand time and growth. I use a tattoo for example. You do a surgery, when I do my tummy tuck, I got through hell and powder house. But 3 years look at me. Sexy. Titty up in the air, belly flat. Yeah. That's a relationship, love. A time. No can bully me come up. Bother awful and terrible now. Which one? To the right? Yeah. Yeah. I'm real. So I don't think I'm delusional. I'm not delusional. I'm a fidgeter. I'm a fan. Nothing can deny me. I could attack the truth live within Uno and me. You see my kids, God bless my 5 kids. Nobody in this world to me like them. I know them hurtful, them feel shameful, them feel harmful, them feel disgustful, all kind of full. But you know the greatest thing? Those kids accept me for who I am, for whatever I do. All of them not like it. Them know that their mommy is strong, awful, terrible. And she stand up for what she believe in. You see, if I'm a little bumper wall and I watch big, fat, bad face, black and white TV, and I watch slave movie, I saw them sell them to me, I like it tatter there. I saw them do the slave, scary and bobo yesterday and gone. So I put out my 2 brother name them. Me them I say them cook by themselves. Everybody different. When my 2 brother used to watch TV, I saw them do the same. I say, if it ever my mother lick them back, mother bite them, mother fight them. Me not take bully. Me not take bad up. Bully. And I bad up for bad up. Me the calmest fool. The most caringest man. The most understanding woman. And then me the most heartful. I crab you up. Because if I'm a heart leap, I'm a start sweat, I see me a shake so. I know there's something wrong. I prefer not. You understand me? So when I don't understand, you see, Dewey as my husband, Dewey do me some things what could have pierced my heart. You hear me say? But you see that shield, what Father God give me, will shield a lot of things that I'm a guide. I see that test what Father God give me. It's a test. It's a test to see if I'm going to give up on my marriage. See it on the like marriage. I don't do it alone, fuck. All enough of we as wife could bite, will lie with teeth, with deceiving. It's the world. So because I am highlighted and I'm a trend and I'm the queen, I'm a relevant, I'm a celebrity, I'm a famous, people will use me for a daily bread example. But it's happening all over in the world. So me no. Forget up now and discriminate my husband because a girl saying fuck her pussy. Me never want that happen. Me not like that fair married man. But me can't stop me not in control. It happened many times. To many of us. To myself. To people who will never talk. It kill them to people who get up and talk. Every day. All over. So me know that above a lose a daughter at age 33. And so she dead. And me have a husband who give me so much problem. I have to compromise, baby. All is not last. Nothing come easy. Everything. Honestly, man, a celebrity, stop fooling yourself. Stop trying to come a title. It don't stay in the world. You can't stop that. Me is a celebrity, baby. And that's why I'm so important. So I might not have a yacht. I might not have a remote gate house. But in my heart, I have it all. Listen to logical reason. Me as a strong woman with a girl power. A lot of us married to man and when problem come and make vows. Put on a pretty white dress, put on the ring and glad. And then when problem come and run and go to your back. Everybody have domestic violence, baby. Whether you accept it or you talk about it, everybody have, nobody understand. The whole way are human. You little bit of your baby, you push the next baby, you cry about them, or you pinch them. We not talk about that. We are talk about me as a wife, wanna say that yam head. Wanna cuss me for left do it, not want me, but wanna say do it go. If me never run a left do it at Jamaica, she and do it at the back and front on the phone months and days, cause do it in my space and run it. So him get him chance and because me give him that space. So when you look on it, you're a butter post mouth. Man. Finance and then cocky stand up at the first thing them I say, what? I wonder if I can breathe it. I wonder if it can be my wife. I wonder if I can run away with it. All sad. The mind. As do it say. It's all in. Saying a female when them Gyal and look on them and say, wow, reality this in a Queenie now look. What the fuck? You might go chatting and class and just as much as you think you can do the same thing. It's life. Stress myself, man. You good? Can I have a light, please? Truth great and small, outing wide and wonderful. The Lord God make them all. Each little bird. Yeah. What you really can't sit down and tell me right and tight about my life. Someone only could put me on a song and tell me about STD. My pussy's good, smell good. So don't worry about my blood because if my pussy not smell blood, it have something to eat. So don't know me. I tell you that for sure. So go check out